understand what are the rules for writing or defining identifier. First of all, what is an identifier? Yes. Yes, what is an identifier? A name of a variable, function, that is method, class or label. What is an identifier? Yes, what is an identifier means? Name of a variable, method, class and label is what called as identifier. Now I have doubt. Can I write a variable as int Anil underscore 123 equals to 88? This is what data type yes, and this is what variable yes or no? This is what variable. This is what this is what variable. Yes or no? This is what variable. Now, can I write a variable like that? Can I write a variable? Sure. Why? Okay, observe here. Number one, it is what? A valid one. Because, observe here, allowed characters or what means, observe, allowed characters, small a to small z, comma capital A to capital Z. Okay, allowed characters. Now allowed digits. What is that? Allowed digits. Or what means, observe, allowed digits 0 to 9. Now allowed special characters. Or what means, observe, underscore. This is what underscore, not hyphen. This is what underscore. Other one is what underscore. Other one is what means dollar. Other one is what dollar. Okay, special character. Allowed characters are what? Small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. Allowed digits are what? 0 to 9. Allowed special characters are what? Underscore dollar. Now observe here. Other one is, observe, length of an identifier, length of variable name, length of method name, length of class name, label name is always unlimited. It's always unlimited. Now observe here. Now number one, take A. It is within our allowed range characters. N, yes. I, yes. L, yes. Now underscore, it is what our allowed special character. Yes. 1, it is our allowed digit. Then 2, allowed digit. Then 3, allowed digit. Yes. Now this is what? Valid variable. No doubt. This is what? Valid variable. No doubt in that. Okay. This is what? Valid variable. Okay. Valid what? Variable. Now coming to other one. Observe this part carefully. Now can I write a variable as like this? Int 1, 2, 3 Anil equals to 8. Please make sure. This is invalid. This is what? Invalid. This is what? Invalid. This is what? Valid. No doubt. This is what? Valid. Because of our two rules. Now this one is invalid. Why? It is invalid because, observe here, identifier name should not start with, hello, observe here, it should not start. What is that one? Should not start with what? Should not start with digit. Should not start with what? Should not start with digit. Okay, it should not start with what? It should not start with what? Identifier names should not start with digit. Understood? It should not start with digit. So that's why this one is what? Invalid. That's all. It is what? Invalid. Okay. It is what? Invalid. Okay. Now, very important. Now, very important. You must concentrate. Okay. Observe first one. Allowed characters are what? Small a to small z. Capital A to capital Z. Allowed digits are what? 0 to 9. And allowed special characters are what? Underscore dollar. Coming to length. Length is unlimited. Identifier name should be, that should not start with digit. Okay, it should not start with digit. Now, just make sure. Identifier names are case sensitive. Identifier names are what? Identifier names are what? Case sensitive. Identifier names are what? Case sensitive. Okay, Mister, what is this case sensitive? Huh? What is that case sensitive? Yes, correct. Observe here. Now, observe this part. Now, int Anil equals to double X. Other one. Int capital A NIL equals to triple X. Now, both are valid or invalid? One is valid, invalid. Why? Hello. Upper case alphabet allowed character. No. Mobile error. Yes or no? Both are valid. Now you tell me what is case sensitive. Upper case and lower case. What is case sensitive? Now what is case sensitive? Tell, observe, tell, you can tell. Observe, what is case sensitive means, observe. This is Anil. This is also Anil. Now you tell. Anil. Okay, now I will do like this. Last letter is different. Now? What is that? Case sensitive. Observe. Please make sure. Here it is Anil. Here also it is what? Anil. Sounding is same. Sound is same. But physical representation is getting different. It is what? Capital S. Here it is what? Yes or no? Sound is same, but physical representation is different. That is called as case sensitive. Than that, nothing. Okay. Case sensitive means sound is same, physical representation is different. Okay, that is what case sensitive. Okay. Now coming to other one, these two rules are very important. Please make sure. Identifier name should not be similar to, what is that? Should not be similar to predefined words. Please make sure it should not be similar to predefined. Yes, very important. It should not be similar to what? Predefined word. Okay. Now observe here. Int class equals to double X. Valid? Invalid. Class is what? Predefined word. Okay, it is what? Predefined word. Okay, please make sure. Very important. So identifier names are case sensitive, and identifier names should not be similar to predefined word. Okay, very important. Now last thing. Now identifier names can be similar to class names. Identifier names can be similar to class name. Can be similar to class name. Okay, what does that mean? Class Anila. Okay, class Mohanduna. Okay, this is what one class. Okay, class. I have written a dummy class. Okay, this is what class. Now I can declare one variable int Mohandu equals to 44. Yes, valid. Predefine the class I can take. Predefined class name I can take. But don't take predefined words. If it is reserved or predefined words we are having, don't take them. Very dangerous. Okay, if you take, it will give compiler error. Okay, so what we understood, observe here. Allow the characters are what? Small a to small z. And capital A to capital Z. Allowed digits are what? 0 to 9. Allowed special characters are what? Underscore dollar. Length is what? Identifier name should not start with digit. Identifier names are what? Case sensitive. What is case sensitive? Sound the same. Physical representation is different. Identifier name should not be similar to predefined words. Predefined words. Our class is what? One predefined word. Now int per equals to 444. Valid and invalid? Because per is what? Predefined word. Understood? Now identifier name can be similar to class name. Now this is what? One class? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, this is what? One class. Now Mohandu is a class. That Mohandu as taken as a, it is taken as one variable. Valid. Strictly it is what? Valid. Okay, valid. This truth we must remember whenever we write what? Any name of a variable. Any name of a variable, method, class, label. Okay, this rule is common for all programming languages. One small twist will be there. One point, that's all. You must by heart. I am giving all the rules which is applicable for all programming languages. Don't think. Okay, very very important all. Okay, this is important for all programming languages I am giving. You are not learning only single Java. No, you are learning all different 3-4 programming languages you are learning. Understood? Okay. Now